Top 11 facts to know about stress. Stress is a normal and to some extent a necessary part of life. Despite it being something everyone experiences, what causes stress can differ from person to person. For instance, one person may be angry and overwhelmed by a serious traffic jam, while another might turn up their music and consider it a mild inconvenience. A fight with a friend might follow one person around for the rest of the day, while another might easily shrug it off. What's causing you stress may already be something you're abundantly aware of, but given the importance of keeping stress in check when it comes to mitigating the effect it can have on your physical and mental health, it's worth opening yourself up to the possibility that other factors may be at play too. Craft your stress reduction plan with all of them in mind. So, folks, in today's video, we bring to you 11 most amazing facts that you should know about stress. Hi, I'm Firdaus Mudassir and welcome to my channel. Beginning this video with the first fact that you should know about stress. According to American Psychological Association's 2010 Stress in America survey, the majority of Americans report living with moderate or high level of stress, and on an average, those who report their health as fair or poor have more stress in their lives compared with those who rate their health as an excellent or very good. Fact number 2. Working mothers, in particular, are among the people most likely to experience stress, particularly when they do not have a lot of support from others. Moving on to fact number 3. Stress takes a toll on your body. Stress can cause stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol to flood your system. These hormones cause your heart rate and blood pressure to rise, your muscles to tense, your blood sugar levels to increase, and other physical symptoms. Next fact on the list is the effects of stress may lead to actual medical illnesses, including heart problems, stomach problems, and headaches. Fact number 5. While stress doesn't cause mental illnesses like depressive disorders or anxiety disorders, it can lead to feelings of depression and anxiety. It can precipitate mental illnesses in people predisposed to them, particularly if left untreated. Fact number 6. Symptoms of stress include irritability, sleep disturbances, appetite changes, muscular tension, apathy, fatigue, headache, and frequent illnesses. Fact number 7. Stress can be brought about by external factors such as conflict in your relationships, job pressures, and even traffic. In addition, internal factors such as a desire for perfection, a feeling of helplessness, blaming yourself for things that are out of your control, or intense worry also cause stress. Fact number 8. The ways you react to stressful situations can be relearned. You can use cognitive behavioral approaches in which you identify sources of stress and work to minimize them and adjust your responses to the stresses you can't eliminate. Moving further to fact number 9, relaxation techniques help dispel stress and can cause adrenaline and cortisol levels in your blood to decrease. These techniques include deep breathing, muscle relaxation, stretching, visualization, meditation, and biofeedback. Fact number 10. A nutritious diet and regular exercise not only prepares your body to withstand the physical effects of stress, but strengthens your mind to cope with stress and stay on an even keel. And with this, we come to the last fact of this video, which is, according to the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, the US agency responsible for conducting research and making recommendations for the prevention of work-related illness and injury, 40% of the workers reported their job was very or extremely stressful. So folks, I hope this video has helped you in some way in understanding stress and helping you in realizing how you need to manage your stress. In that case, do watch our video on this channel, which is named as Top 10 Tips to Manage Stress, which can help you further in understanding, realizing, and focusing on ways how you can deal with stress in your life. So folks, that's it from me in this video. If you have liked this video and the other videos on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. In case of any doubt, query, or inquiry, make sure you write to us on the email ID given in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.